can you get upgrade on your Fly Bros app? We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here, you click on me down here, just click on it. So when you just click on me, it's going to take you, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on upgrade to Pro, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just here can you select if you want to add weekly or monthly or yearly. Here you click on subscribe now. So then automatically here, when you click on subscribe now, it's going to show for you a list like this, add your credit or debit card. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.